Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your music from your computer to your iPhone. So we are going to use iTunes to do this. Make sure you are using the latest version of iTunes. And also make sure the music files you are going to transfer are MP3 because your iPhone may not recognize some other formats. If you don't have iTunes in your computer, you can install it. To install iTunes, open a web browser in your computer, Google Chrome, and look for iTunes. Always use the official website. This is the official website. Press the link. Now scroll down and find the version you are using. So I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna press Windows. Now press download iTunes for Windows. So once iTunes is installed in your computer, open it. Now connect your iPhone to your computer using the lightning cable. Once your iPhone is connected to your computer, you will see your iPhone's name. Now open your music folder. Select all the music you want to transfer to your iPhone and just drag that selected music to your iPhone like this. All my music has now been transferred. It's in the music folder. So this is my music. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video.